Most men think creatine is only for young bodybuilders chasing bigger muscles. That belief quietly robs them of one of the most powerful tools for strength, energy, and long-term independence. What if I told you that this simple compound, studied for decades, does far more than build muscle size? It supports your brain, your bones, your recovery, and even how fast you react when you lose your balance. The difference between staying capable and slowly losing strength often comes down to what most men completely overlook. As you get older, your body naturally loses muscle mass, strength, and cellular energy. This is called sarcopenia, and it begins earlier than most men expect. You feel it when standing up from a low chair becomes harder, when climbing stairs leaves you slightly winded, or when your grip is not as strong as it used to be. It is not just about strength. It is about your ability to stay independent. That is why today you will discover 5 true effects of creatine on your body that can help you stay strong, sharp, and capable for years to come. Before we begin, please tell us in the comments the country where you are watching our content from. We would love to know. Effect number 1. Cellular energy restoration. Creatine has been studied extensively in sports science and clinical research for over 30 years. It is naturally found in your muscles and plays a central role in how your body produces quick energy. As you age, your cells become less efficient at producing energy, especially during short bursts of effort, like catching yourself from a fall or lifting something heavy. Think of your muscles like a battery that no longer charges fully. Creatine helps recharge that battery faster. It works directly with your ATP system, which is your body's primary energy currency. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Sydney found that creatine supplementation increased high-intensity energy output after just 2 weeks. To use creatine effectively, you simply take a small daily dose, typically around 3 to 5 grams, mixed in water. Timing is not as important as consistency. Take it with a meal to improve absorption. Stay well hydrated, as creatine draws water into muscle cells. Over time, you will notice that daily tasks feel easier and less draining. If you are new, start with a lower dose to see how your body responds. Avoid the mistake of thinking more is better. Excess does not give extra benefits and may cause discomfort. Consistency matters more than quantity. If you have kidney conditions or are under medical supervision, consult your doctor before starting. A simple blood test can ensure everything is safe. Effect number 2. Muscle preservation and strength. Creatine is widely used in strength training communities because of its proven ability to support muscle growth. But for you, the real value is not size, it is preservation. After the age of 30, you begin losing muscle mass each year if you do nothing. This loss affects your ability to carry groceries, climb stairs, or even maintain balance. Creatine helps slow this process by supporting protein synthesis and muscle repair. It targets your skeletal muscles, especially fast-twitch fibers responsible for strength and quick reactions. A study conducted by McMaster University found that older adults using creatine alongside light resistance training gained significantly more strength than those who did not after 12 weeks. To get the most out of this, combine creatine with simple movements like bodyweight squats, push-ups, or resistance band exercises. Take your daily dose consistently and give your muscles a reason to stay active. You should feel a gradual increase in strength and endurance in daily life. Beginners can start with 2 to 3 short workouts per week. Over time, increase intensity slightly. One common mistake is expecting instant results. Strength builds quietly, over weeks and months. If you have joint pain or injuries, choose low-impact exercises and progress slowly. The goal is not intensity. The goal is consistency and safety. The next one surprises most people. Effect number 3. Brain function and mental clarity. Creatine is not just for muscles. It is also stored in your brain, where it helps supply energy to your neurons. As you age, mental fatigue becomes more noticeable. You may forget small things, struggle to focus, or feel mentally drained faster than before. This is often linked to reduced cellular energy in the brain. Creatine supports your central nervous system. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Cambridge found that creatine supplementation improved short-term memory and mental processing speed after just 6 weeks. To benefit from this, take creatine daily without skipping days. Pair it with good sleep and proper hydration. Over time, you may notice clearer thinking, better focus, and less mental fatigue during the day. Start with a standard dose and stay consistent. Do not expect a sudden boost like caffeine. This works quietly in the background, strengthening your mental energy over time. If you have neurological conditions, speak with a healthcare professional before use. It can be beneficial, but guidance is always wise. Before we continue, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Having constant access to science-based information is what will make you progress with health over the long term in the world of supplementation and wellness. Now let us continue. Effect number 4, bone health and fall protection. Most men focus on muscles but forget that strong bones are what support everything. Creatine plays an indirect but powerful role in bone health. As muscle strength improves, it places healthy stress on bones, which helps maintain density. Without this, bones become weaker and more fragile over time. That is when simple falls become serious injuries. Creatine supports the muscle-bone connection. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Sao Paulo found that older adults using creatine alongside resistance training improved bone mineral density over several months. To apply this, combine creatine with weight-bearing activities like walking, step-ups, or light strength training. Focus on controlled movements. Feel your muscles working in harmony with your body. Start slowly and build confidence. One mistake is avoiding movement out of fear. Lack of movement weakens both muscles and bones. Safe, consistent movement strengthens them. If you have osteoporosis or a history of fractures, consult a professional before starting. Adjust exercises to your comfort level and avoid sudden impacts. This one may seem simple, but it changes everything. Effect number 5, recovery and fatigue reduction. Recovery is where real strength is built. Without proper recovery, your body slowly breaks down. As you age, recovery takes longer. You feel sore for days, and your energy does not bounce back like it used to. This leads many men to stop exercising altogether. Creatine helps your muscles recover faster by replenishing energy stores and reducing muscle cell damage. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Queensland found that creatine reduced markers of muscle damage and improved recovery time after repeated physical activity. To benefit, take creatine daily and allow your body proper rest between activities. Pay attention to how you feel. You should notice less soreness and a quicker return to normal energy levels. Begin with light activity and gradually increase intensity. A common mistake is pushing too hard too soon, which leads to burnout or injury. Recovery is not weakness, it is part of the process. If you have chronic fatigue or underlying health conditions, consult a doctor to ensure your approach is safe and balanced. At the end of the day, creatine is not about looking stronger. It is about living stronger. It supports your energy, your muscles, your brain, your bones, and your ability to recover. That is not a small detail. It is everything. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and God bless you, my friend.